The newest luxury wreath trend isn't fuller, it's lighter. A sculptural design with open space, flowing olive branches, and soft eucalyptus creates movement instead of clutter. By letting natural materials breathe, the entrance feels calm, architectural, and effortlessly elegant from every angle. Luxury designers are moving beyond traditional wreaths by creating pieces that feel like living art. A floating botanical halo uses open space, graceful olive branches, soft linen ribbons, and delicate textures to create movement that changes beautifully with every breeze, making the entrance feel effortlessly refined. The most timeless fall wreaths don't rely on bright orange leaves. Instead, they combine eucalyptus, soft cream foliage, dried grasses, and a natural grapevine base to create a warm, welcoming entrance. The layered textures feel elegant, work with almost any home style, and stay beautiful throughout the entire season. A harvest-inspired wreath brings warmth without feeling overly traditional. Dried wheat, natural grasses, soft eucalyptus, and muted golden tones create rich texture that catches the light beautifully. Keeping the palette restrained gives the entrance a timeless designer look instead of an overly themed seasonal display. Fall decor doesn't have to rely on bold colors to make an impact. Soft white pumpkins, cream hydrangeas, muted eucalyptus, and natural grapevine create a refined wreath that feels bright, elegant, and timeless. Keeping the palette light allows every texture to stand out while giving the entrance a truly designer-inspired finish. Sometimes the most luxurious fall wreath is also the simplest. A clean grapevine base, flowing olive branches, soft eucalyptus, and a single velvet ribbon create a modern statement without overwhelming the entrance. The restrained styling feels timeless, allowing quality materials and thoughtful composition to become the true focal point. Inspired by European countryside homes, this wreath blends olive branches, muted berry clusters, preserved eucalyptus, and a natural grapevine base into a timeless autumn statement. Instead of bold seasonal colors, layered natural textures create warmth that feels welcoming, elegant, and beautifully understated. A statement wreath proves that luxury isn't about adding more. It's about choosing larger, beautifully balanced pieces. An oversized grapevine base layered with flowing olive branches, preserved eucalyptus, soft cream florals, and subtle dried textures creates an unforgettable entrance that feels elegant long after the season ends.